By 2025, 87% of traditional jobs will be unrecognizable. Robots, AI, and a generation of hustlers are rewriting the rules. Beat. Screen flashes red. Warning. Your 9 to 5 might not survive. So, will you be left behind, or will you turn your skills into a cash-generating machine? Welcome. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn 3 laws to future-proof your income, outsmart the algorithm, and live life on your terms. Let's move. The new economy, skill stacking. Meet Jessica. She's 24, earns $12K a month, and works 20 hours a week. Her secret? Skill stacking. Text overlay. 1 + 1 = 10. The old world rewarded specialization. The new economy? It pays polymaths who merge skills like a DJ mixes tracks. Fear trigger. A single skill is a single point of failure. AI will replace the specialist, but a designer who codes, a writer who understands crypto, snaps fingers, you become unfireable. Unless you're a robot watching this, in which case, please don't replace me, but stacking alone isn't enough. Because in 2025, there's a hidden marketplace, and it's not on LinkedIn. Dramatic sting. Digital real estate. Claim your corner of the internet. Your skills are products. The internet, your 24/7 salesperson. Meet Carlos. He turned his pizza review Instagram into a 7K month affiliate empire. No fancy degree, no trust fund, just a phone and a niche. Excitement trigger. Tools like ChatGPT and Canva are force multipliers. A 30-second AI script. A viral thumbnail. You're not competing with humans anymore, you're outsourcing grunt work to robots. Wait, did I just say outsource to robots? 2025 is wild, folks. But here's the catch. Digital real estate is finite. The best domains? Already taken. The trending niches? Saturated by sunrise. So how do you win? Pause. You cheat. The wealth accelerate, leverage or die. Leverage isn't a buzzword. It's survival. Sarah, a freelance writer, went from 50 blog to 10K a month by productizing templates, courses, hiring junior writers. Her time, now spent on big deals. The clock's ticking. In 2025, scaling is non-negotiable. Fear keeps you trading hours for dollars. Leverage lets you profit while you sleep. Even cats get it. Why don't you? But before you rush off, there's one rule nobody tells you. Get it wrong, and everything collapses. 2025 isn't coming. It's here. Will you be the disrupted, or the disruptor? Smash that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Because in 48 hours, I'm dropping a free guide revealing the exact niches exploding in 2025. The link? Below. But only if you act now. Go get yours.